How you doing, everybody? Welcome to the show. It's Uncle Bruce here, Stock Markets with Bruce. We're going to try to talk about the markets in plain English like we always do. Welcome one, welcome all. It is Tuesday, May the 18th, 2021.
Talk about the markets in plain
we're
English
going to
like
try
we
to
all.
figure out what is happening in that wacky world of ours and see how it affects us, and can we make some money in this crazy world. Thank you all for joining me here, and thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for the thumbs ups you give me on this channel, and your comments and everything. All you members out there, love you guys. IPOE, 1569 on the pre-market right now, up 21 cents. SoFi, this will become SoFi June 1. That is 12 days from now. It's coming. It's relentless. It's coming. It'll be listed on the New York Stock Exchange as SOFI. The meeting is being held. Is it next week? Is the shareholder meeting the official thing? It'll all go through. It'll all be voted through. It'll all happen. This deal will go down. It'll go through, and it'll be trading on New York as SoFi. Expected trade date June 1. That's the expected trade. I'm not guaranteeing it. That's what I'm told it's going to be. Let's follow it. The stock, I do not believe, will be in this neighborhood by the time even that day occurs. But you tell me, and you ask me, well, Bruce, what day is it going to make its move, and how far will it go before it gets listed as SoFi? I wish I could tell you. If I knew these answers, I wouldn't be here talking to you guys. I would be trading on my own. I'd be making billions of dollars, and you won't even know who the hell I am. I'm going to be in a Gulfstream 5 somewhere, flying from private island to private island, having a wonderful old time because I have a crystal ball that knows all these answers. I don't, so I'm here, and welcome everybody to the show. I hope you're enjoying it. First of all, let me tell you something. You should know this. VGAC, their shareholder vote has been determined, and it's official. June the 10th. We finally have a date on VGAC, the Virgin Group, the Richard Branson 23andMe deal. So this is May the 18th. We have 30 days this month. That's 12 more days. Then we have 10 days into June. That means 22 days, 3 weeks tomorrow is the vote, the shareholder vote for VGAC to officially be taken over by 23andMe. So we now know the VGAC deadline, drop dead date for that deal to close. Why is it June the 10th and not May the 10th? Because of the SEC refiling requirements that they put on every SPAC to come out with a refiled everything to adhere to the new SEC disclosure rules. That delayed everyone's deal by a month. We now have the date, June the 10th, for VGAC. That's number one. Number two, FAII, Fortress Acquisition. Finally, we've got news on Fortress Acquisition that its deal to merge is now going to be officially, excuse me, it's officially on June the 15th. And so that is 27 days from now. So just yesterday, Monday, 4 weeks from yesterday. So FAII is going to turn into physical therapy because physical therapy is buying FAII, and VGAC is going to be 23andMe right here. We're talking about the second one right here, VAC to become 23andMe. So these two are official. We know about IPOE, that's SoFi, that's official. That should be this about a week from now, that'll be held, and on June 1 should be trading. So these two stocks, VGAC and FAII, a week after their meetings, they could be trading already. So VGAC, June the 17th could start trading, and FAII, June 22nd could start trading. So we're starting to come in here with our definitive dates finally on all of these SPACs. We're finally going to be paid off to wait this thing out with exact dates, and this is good news. This is really good news. So I'm very pleased to see this. I'm very happy to tell you this news finally that this is going on. Okay, as they keep coming out, the others will be coming out shortly with their dates. We will pass that on to you as well. Do not be surprised. In the month of June, everybody is now trading on the SPAC front as something else. I just kind of I get the vibe that they're all going to become, they're different deals, all in like 2 to 3 weeks. They'll all be shifted over. So hang in there. The only one that will not happen right away is the last one that I've added to the deal, the Fifth Wall Acquisition Corporation. Fifth Wall Acquisition is going to merge a Smart Rent in a $2.2 billion deal with $513 million in cash. That deal was only announced about a month ago, and that'll take another 2 to 2.5 months to be done. So that's the last one to be done, but it's the latest one I've added to my list of deals that I like. All right, so there are all the deals I like, the stocks that I like that I recommended to you to look at: Gores Holdings, VGAC, GameStop, IBM, Microsoft, Intel, Home Depot, Cisco, Apple, Facebook, Micron, Vanex Semiconductor ETF, which is known as SMH, the symbol. SVAC, Fortress, there it is, VACQ, Nash, IPOE, and FWAA. Those are the ones for now, and keep your eye on those. If you are a member of this channel, if you become a member of this channel, you will be alerted every time I add a new stock to that list. You will be alerted in advance before the channel as a whole. So you'll have a head start to look into a deal before the rest of the world knows my thoughts on it. And of course, whenever there's something coming up that you need to be aware of, I will do alerts. Thank you, everybody, for that. If you'd like to talk to me about a 1-hour session, you want to get together with me, send me an email through my email address, which is right here. It's the old school hotmail.com email address. Send me an email. Say, Bruce, I'd like to talk to you on a one-on-one session. When can you book me in? I'd like to make a reservation and lock it in right away.